Hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother. Now today we will bring another tablet product from OPPO. It's the newest tablet product from OPPO. It's the OPPO Pad Air. So it's the cheap one tablet product that OPPO released, and it also is it's kind of an entry level and cost-effective product from OPPO as well. So today we will have a very quick and very simple unbox video on this tablet product, the OPPO Pad Air. First, let's check the box. So it's a bit different compared to the first product. It's more simple, and here in the pure white box they just put the picture of the pad and the model name in front of the books and inside of the books. So it's a simple design, and today we get the color is called Star Silver, and the ROM is 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM. So okay, let's unbox it. Let's open it and check what's inside the box. So okay, let's unbox it. OPPO Pad Air. Okay, so after we open the box, we just see the pad is here, and it was protected by a soft plastic bag. Okay, put it aside and check the stuff here. Under the pad we got a Type-C cable. Yes, a Type-C cable. Here is a Type-C cable. So yes, this is the cable, and next is the charger. It's a Type-C charger, and this time they provide a 18-watt fast charger, and the battery is 7100. So it's a big battery, and it's also support fast charger. So this is all the stuff inside this box, and let's put the box and the accessories aside and check the pad. Okay, so let's put it aside and let's open the plastic bag, and then whoa, we get the pad in front of us. So first, I think I will also make a outline of the review. I think I will talk from several aspects on this model. First, the appearance, and then the screen, and then the battery, and then the camera, and then the processor, and then the other stuff I think I should mention. First is about the appearance of this new tablet. It's the first time when I open it, it's very unique design compared to the last generation and compared to the other tablet, because I think they bring the smartphone design into this tablet. The most impressive one is here, the back cover. The united two parts of the first is this one is the metal, and when we touch it, it's not flat and kind of stand feeling, and it's a frosted design and a dull polish design here. This is this part, and also the next the other side, the other part is also not flat. Here when we use different angles to check it, we can get different colors, and also this one is kind of 3D lines. It's bring a kind of technology and beauty feeling, and both are not easy to get fingerprint. But also here, I think it's the totally special one on this model. Is kind of They for the release conference, they say it's kind of sand desert. When you see it in different angles, you can see different colors. So maybe you can feel it can make you bring you into the it's kind of feeling that bring you to the desert, and you find the sunset in the desert. It's so beautiful, and the meanings and the explanation is so romantic. Yes, so it's so nice, and always like the design from OPPO. So this is about the design. Also, this here they have a single camera, and also the tablet is very light. It's only 440 grams, and also the size is not so big. Also compared to the Realme Pad X, and also the Xiaomi, and also the OPPO Pad. The first generation is much smaller, and the size, the height is only 6.94 mm, and the size, the length is 245 mm, and the width is 154 mm. So it's very it's not so big, and when you hand it to hand, it's not so heavy. It's kind of good feelings when you play it in a long time. So this is about the design of the pad. And also the next, I think I will talk about the screen. The house is the 10.36 inch LCD big screen, and the display rate, the resolution is 1200. It supports 2048 background light adjustment, and also it's part of the two certifications, the mainstream certifications. The first is the Rayland certification, and also it support the eye protect low, the blue light eyes protections. It can protect as well, and you get very good display performance, and also it can show the videos you reviewed. So this is also very nice. Check, right? So you can check the light. Also the next, also another thing I want to mention is when you when you use the OPPO pen, you can touch it. It can get very smoothly and very nice feeling when you use the OPPO pen to touch it. And okay, the next I will talk about the battery. And this time they also provide a very big batteries. It's 7,100 big batteries, and with the 18-watt fast charger. So when you play games, when you do the office works, you can get it can mainly meet most of the demands, not only daily works or daily uses. So also you can play games for a long time in this pad. And okay, the next I will talk about the camera. As we can see, this time they provide a single rear camera, and also here in the middle of the pad they provide a single front camera as well. The real one is a 8 megapixel real camera, and they support 77 angle, and they have 4P lens. And also for this one, okay, let's check it. So when we check it, first we check the real camera, capture 180. Also we can check the yes, hello. Okay, so this is about the camera. Also for the front one is the 5 megapixel, and also it have the AI mode. You can get the beauty mode. You can get self pictures, very nice self pictures. So this is also very nice. When you have a video talk with your family, with your friend, you can also get very good talking qualities. So okay, next is about I will talk about the processor, and this time the OPPO Pad Air, they have our Snapdragon 680 processor. It's our Octa-core design processor, and also with the 4 GB plus 128 GB RAM. It can get very good speed on the daily use. So it's not the flagship one, but also you see you can get very good experience on this one. Especially when we compare to the last another product that's released by Realme. This one, they have the 6nm producing technology. Also, it supports the UFS 2.2. Compared to the Realme Pad X eMMC, it can get much better, faster on the storage. So this one is better. Also, the processor 680 is a bit better than the other models. Yes, so this is about the processor. Okay, so after the main features we mentioned above, next I will show you the other specification that I think I should mention. First, like the speakers. It's have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, have 4 independent work speakers. So it's also a big sound and the good quality speakers on this one, because it supports Dolby Atmos, the 360 sound technology is good. You can stereo sonic qualities. I think I can show you some. Yes. Yes, you get some good qualities. So yes, the quality is not bad, it's good. And also the other things like here, they provide here is the SD extension card here. You can insert the SD retention card here to get more extra storage on this one. I think I can show you here. You can check the here RAM and ROM. You can support RAM expectation, so you can, it's very useful functions on this one. So yes, so also the OS is the color OS as well. So this is the main introduction of this model. The OPPO Pad Air is the latest model from tablet from OPPO, and also is the second pad product from OPPO. The design is so impressive. So I hope you like it. You can check it in the official website, and hope you can like my videos as well. Okay, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks, bye bye. Nice.